Hello art lovers, hope you like this envelope. Take an A4 size sheet and cut it into half and fold it like this. Cut the top into envelope shape and then color the background as you want. Half color for the wall color and lower part would be floor, and then design any kind of furniture you like, windows, lamps. It depends on your creativity. You can create much better than this. And then with the help of double-sided tape, you just take, you can arrange and rearrange the furniture as you want, and see the smaller details. Add much enjoyment in such creative hobbies and share it with your children. I'm sure they too will enjoy making such kind of doll houses in more creative way. This is just a short video to give you a rough idea. If you want a detailed tutorial, let me know. I will make a new one and a better one.